Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope everybody is okay. Today we have a trigonometry ratio. So now we want to start solving some problems in same trigonometry ratio. Last time we have some derivatives. So now we are about to solve some problems on it. So stay tuned and enjoy the class. Okay, example 1. Given that sine theta equal to 8/17, calculate the values of I cos theta, I values of tan theta, I sine theta over cos theta, IV cos theta plus sine theta all over cos theta minus sine theta. Now we have 4 questions to solve here. So copy the question down so we can start solving. I want to give you like 2 minutes to copy it down. So I'll wipe the board. We start solving them because our board is small. So copy it fast so we can start solving. I hope now you have already copied the questions. So right now we're going to wipe the board and start solving. Remember, you said we should use sine theta as 8/17. Now okay. We are given that sine theta equal to 8/17. Now, from our proofs before, sine theta is equal to opposite of hypotenuse. So this is opposite of hypotenuse. This is what? Opposite, and this is what? Hypotenuse. And here was not given. So let's replace it what? B. You can put any alphabet if you are solving it. Alphabet doesn't mean anything. But why I'm using B is because when we prove it, you say here is A, B, and C. So here is what? Now, our first question is we should find what? Cos theta. Now, we are going to refer back to Pythagoras theorem because without Pythagoras theorem, we can't get this. Now, Pythagoras theorem says that when you are looking for for B here, B square equal to C square minus A square from Pythagoras. So right now, B we are looking for B square equal to, what is C square? 17. 17 square minus 8 square. So B square equal to 17 square will give you 289. Press it on your calculator, you will see 289 minus 8 square will give you 64. 64. So B square equal to this minus this will give you 225. 225. Let's come up here. So B now equal to, when square root crosses side of equality, it becomes, when squares cross side of equality, it becomes square root. It will be square root of 225, which is b, equal to what? 15. So the adjacent side is 15. So now this place is what? 15. So when opposite is 8, hypotenuse is 17, adjacent side is what? 15. Now we have finished getting this. So we now start answering the other remaining questions. But I want to give you 1 minute to copy this so that I can be able to write down the other questions so we can solve them. So make it fast. We are doing this so we can recall what we have learned before in school. Many of us learned it before, but maybe they have forgotten it, or maybe the teacher didn't teach them well. But if you still have questions, you can still ask in the comment section, or you can still send us to our email. We'll still answer you. Now, I hope you guys have copied it. So let's get to the second question. He said we should find cos theta, tan theta. We have gotten by this place adjacent to be 15. So we are about to answer the first question, cos theta, tan theta. Now, so we should find I. So we should find I cos theta. Cos theta. Cos theta is what? Remember what I told you before. When you write this down, it will always what? Help you out. For people that still don't understand it very well. Cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. That is why. So now what is cos theta? Adjacent over hypotenuse. That is what? 15 over what? 17. And this is the answer. They say ask us to find tan theta. I. Tan theta. Tan theta is what? Opposite over adjacent, which is what? 8 over 15. This is the answer for tan theta. And they ask us to find what? Sin theta, I. They ask us to find sin theta over cos theta. Sin theta over cos theta, which is equal to, what is sin theta? Opposite over what? Hypotenuse. 8 over what? 17. 8 over 17. Remember, all over, cos theta is what? Adjacent over hypotenuse, which is what? 15 over 17. 15 over 17. So now, we substitute. We have substituted now. 8 over 17 divided by 15 over 17. This is equal to 8 over 17. This division here will turn to multiplication. The denominator will come to the numerator, and the numerator will come down to the denominator, which is equal to what? 17 all over 15. So 17 is here, 17 is here. Cancel 17. What remains? 8 over 15, which is equal to 8 over 15. Answer. remember when we prove it, we say that listen here, that sine theta over cos theta equal to tan theta. Now, from what we get here, you can now see that tan theta here is 8 over 15. So, to prove that what we are saying before is still right, you can now know that when sin theta is divided by cos theta, you are going to get what? Tan theta, which is what? You can see it here, 8 over 15. And here, we still get it 8 over 15. So, that is it. Now, we're going to answer the last question. That's IV. Now, we're going to wipe here. Now, let me give you 1 minute to copy, so I'll be able to wipe it. Now, because the last question is long, we're going to start from here. So now, the last question is find IV cos theta plus sin theta all over cos theta minus sin theta. This is the last question. Now, we come up here. What is cos theta on its own? Cos theta is what? Adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 8 over 15. Sorry, adjacent over hypotenuse. That is 8 15 over 17 adjacent over hypotenuse plus what is sin theta? Opposite over what? Hypotenuse. That is 8 over 17 divide all over cos theta, all over the same. That is 15 over 17 minus 8 over 17. So now equal to the LCM between 17 and 17 is 17 because they are the same. Let's do it like this: 17. So when this divide is 1 times this is what? 15 plus the same 1 times 8 is what? 8. So all over the same LCM is what? 17. Is 17 here. So 15 minus 8. Now, equal to 15 plus 8 will give you what? 23. 23 over what? 17 over 17. 23 over 17 all over 15 minus 8 will give you 7. 7 all over what? 17. So let's wipe here and finish it up here. Now 23 over 17 divided by 7 over what? 17. This is going to give you 23 over 17 multiply this one done to multiplication. The denominator will go up and the numerator will come down. 17 over what? 7. This cancels this. What we are going to have is what? 23 over what? 7. And that is the answer. 23 over 7. That is the answer. So when cos theta plus sin theta is divided by cos theta minus sin theta, we're going to get what? 23 over 7. So that is the answer. So go through it. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. We're going to answer you. Thank you and we love you. I hope you enjoyed the class. Tell me how you feel in the comment section. See you next class. Thank you.